Hi, welcome to the Just Hack Me at Python tutorial series. This video covers iterating over dictionary objects. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. We will use the dictionary object called myDictionary. It is a list of US states. The first code we will run will be to iterate over just the keys and printing the result with the string label of key. The next code will be to iterate over the entire dictionary object, printing both the keys and values and labeling them accordingly. Note that if you have watched the video on creating dictionaries, you know that you can always just print key and or values without iterating. However, iteration will allow you to manipulate the format of the output. Iteration will also allow you to specify the key or value to be outputted. View the terminal on the right of your screen to see how to print the entire dictionary's keys and values without using iteration or loop conditions. Well, that's it. Hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please like and subscribe. Your support is greatly appreciated. This YouTube channel offers various other programming videos and tech-related content. Please feel free to browse the channel. You can also visit the website posted here for additional tech content.